I was listening to what the stranger had